Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Prestone Tensong ula kentat ke Jingdawa ke yang persya bau Menteri Rangba ke Jelau di hiar Shuki halor ke Jingjia pa betai dynamite ha ka Kram Doyong ha ke district East Gentle Hills. Da ke bakro bagani kadei tang ke jingle kamsan perthai bak sarkar ka shim ke jingkit kle baro ban penti kena bagani kambian kan kot sendon. Ulang ba ke Jingdawa kalawan mi halor kanu kuno kamat bun sien kila bandawa yau ba Prestone Tensong rub hiar Shuki no. Mereka kam ke bahakamat kalong bak sorkar kelasi megi jengkit klik ban kanglat yakin ki kam bean mardor. La ban kedau hang ne bak keseng Voice of the People's Party VPP haka nyo tarik jong urampang arhajar arpun rio kala kentok tengah ke sorkar MDA. Ka VPP kala keno bak jeng thai dynamite haka bagi par dau yong bean ha East Gentle Hills ke belasi megi jeng im jong arpun nyongut ki brio bat pen mensau kendai ngot kedai kedak jong gajing bamlar kam ke sorkar hakrukom sensyar. Ka VPP ke lepen pau bagajing peteng ke nega kambean wat lala dep maham bunsien ke peni bag sorkar kam don ke mon ke baklan ban pentre kam ya kaan. Kiloong bagane ke jingja ke lepen pau ru ke jinglong telot ke sorkar ke rukom pet ngor bat pene ke jing syong suk syong san ha ke imlang salang.
The Voice of the People Party extends our condolences to the family members of the victims of the dynamite blast which happened in the coal mines in Jingjia. At the same time, we would like to strongly condemn the MDA government for its lack of responsibility, accountability, and inaction to check the illegal coal mining and illegal transportation of coal. These untoward incidents keep happening in the state, and they exposed the lack of seriousness, the lack of commitment on the part of the government to ensure that governance is ensured in a state where the society is based on law. The continuation of illegal activities under the MDA government is a matter of great concern for the people of the state.
Political issue. So anything you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that Prestone also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing: we take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately. Right now, we have already got all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spend all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two again, yes, today within 10 days time again we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court, and I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court. So let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. See, whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it, the record. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you even by four wheels. It takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing: we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop.